today we will teach you how to play the new game about the circulatory system. First, we have this token, which represents this element: waste products, red cells, oxygen, carbon dioxide, sugar, and proteins. There are two teams, green and yellow, with 2 to 6 players.
This is the roulette of the game. You can move the roulette and the number you get is the number of the boxes that you can move. But this isn't work, so we are going to play with the dice. And the number if you get, you multiply it by 4.
This is how to play the game. First, you move the sugar and proteins to the cells. The red blue cells go to the lungs, carry the oxygen to the head.
The red blue cells carry the carbon dioxide from the head to the lungs.
The red blood cells go to the cells and carry the waste to the 2 kidneys.